This is the unboxing of all unboxings. I'm doing this unboxing a little different than usual because I have had time to use these items, so I can give you my honest opinions of all of them. I'm going to show you my Fall FabFitFun box of Style and Causebox, and I'm going to let you know what I thought of the products, give you my top 5 favorite items, and then we're going to see at the end of this video who had the most favorites so they can be named the winner for the season. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria and I love being creative in my life, so I share home DIYs, creative cupcakes, and style videos with you. If you like all those fun things, please hit that subscribe button so we can keep in touch. Normally, I do these unboxings on their own, and then I'll do a favorites video with my top 5 items. Well, we are really going to get into it today and make this even more fun by making one all-encompassing video so that these 3 subscription boxes can have a true throwdown. So let's get right into it. FabFitFun is one of my favorites, so I have loved trying out some of these fall products. FabFitFun's packaging is always so cute, and this season's box was no exception. The first item in the Fall FabFitFun is this body souffle. It is a really light and airy formula, so it soaks into the skin really quickly. It's in a nice large-sized bottle, so this will last a really long time. Next, we have this Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Toner. This brand has shown up in a previous FabFitFun box, and I've been enjoying that makeup remover a lot. It was from that same Truffle Therapy line. This toner does glide onto your skin, and it has a really nice neutral scent. This was one of the items FabFitFun gave me a selection on. Next is this Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair Lotion. Hair care is so important, especially in the fall and the winter when the air starts to get a little bit more dry. I know Aveda makes really good products, and I've been using this after I wash my hair, and I just put it in there when my hair is still damp, and then I just kind of blow dry it, and it doesn't seem to leave it like greasy or anything. It just does leave it a little bit less staticky and frizzy, so that is always a good thing. This is the Skinvolve Body Boost Gel. This is supposed to tighten skin, but you know how these things work. They never perform miracles or anything. What I do love is the menthol and green tea, and so it smells really good, and the product is a gel, so it soaks into the skin very quickly, which I really like. And this was an item that I got to choose from a few other products as well, so here are what those other items were. These are the Nassif MD Detox Pads with alpha and beta hydroxy. These complexion perfecting pads are really nice because I used them like after I took off my makeup, and then if there was anything left, it would just take off the rest of the makeup, and it's just a great step in your evening routine before your lotions. There were some really great customization options for this one too, but I'm really happy that I picked these because they do leave your skin feeling so smooth. This is the Better Skin Company Lava Magic Cleanser, Scrub, and Mask. It's multi-purpose. I've been using this as a cleanser for the most part, and it does seem to remove most of my makeup. It is a really small jar though, so using it as a cleanser or a scrub did make me go through this jar really quickly. I probably wouldn't repurchase this one again just because I went through it so quickly. There were some other options that I got to choose from on this one too. These are the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Scrub Cubes. I was so excited about these because they had a light fruity scent and they looked so cute, and I just love scrubs, and these looked like they were going to be really scrubby, but they ended up being difficult to use. Since they are square and small, it was, I don't know, it was just kind of awkward trying to disintegrate these on your body in the shower. They kind of like rolled out of my hand, and I ended up dropping them all the time. So these are not something that I would repurchase. Lastly, we have this cute plaid scarf, which I actually ended up using as a table runner for my fall tablescape. It's super cute as a scarf too, and it's so soft and cozy. I just love this and will definitely be wearing it a lot during the season. This was a customized item, so here you can see the other options that FabFitFun gave us, but I am really happy with this scarf and I'm glad I picked it. Alrighty, now we are on to Box of Style. This is so fun and exciting. I can't wait to tell you my favorites at the end of this video. The Box of Style boxes are ones that I always keep and use for gift wrapping because they're just so pretty and sturdy, and they kind of have a little magnetic closure at the front. I guess this was my anniversary, so I got an extra item this time in my fall Box of Style. The gift I got from my anniversary was the Archipelago Black Forest candle. I love this candle. It smells so good, and it isn't too feminine or fruity, so this would make a great gift for a guy too. It almost has like a forest scent, so it's really nice for fall and winter. I love the sleek packaging too, but the candle did look like it melted or bubbled up a little bit on the top when I got it. That did smooth out after a few uses though. The scent is pretty strong and lingers even after the candle goes out. Next is this beautiful wallet. I love how simple this is, but it's really elegant and sleek, and it's nice and small, so it'll go great in a small purse. And it even is genuine leather. You get fewer items in the Rachel Zoe Box of Style boxes, but they are always really high quality items. Next is a piece of jewelry from the Danijo brand. This necklace is chunky and heavy, and I love that it looks so dressy, but as you can see here, it also looks great with a casual outfit too. This would be a good one to take on vacation with you because it really looks great with a cocktail dress, but then you can go ahead and wear it with a t-shirt too. It would even look good with a swimsuit. Next is this Texture Reform Serum from Shani Dardum. This bottle is really heavy, and well, it took a lot of pushes to get this thing going, but as you can see, it really effortlessly just soaks right into the skin after you finally get that pump going. It's nice and lightweight and feels like a really high quality product. I haven't seen any wrinkles disappear, but it does feel really nice on the skin, and I believe that it's doing what they say it's doing. Okay, I have never tried any Marc Jacobs makeup products before, and this is the Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick in Enamored, a really nice neutral pink color. It looks like a lipstick, but it is so moisturizing feeling, and the color is just really gorgeous. I think it would look so great on a lot of skin tones. Okay, after I figured out how to open this thing, it really tricked me there. Doesn't it look like it's one of those screw-on tops? There we go. This goes on like a lipstick to where it isn't super sheer or anything, and it lasts a decent length of time and provides just the right amount of gloss. Now, this won't stay on through a meal, but it will stay on until your next meal. And I really love this color and the really smooth, glossy, but not too glossy formula. I'm definitely going to buy more of these in different colors. That's how much I love this one. Then we have this cute little purse. I just love the size of this. It's from the brand Winters, and it is such a gorgeous brown color for fall. That little wallet would fit just perfectly in here. It has a magnetic snap closure and a gold ring on the front with that Cute little tassel on there. I just love this purse with that gold necklace too. I like how Box of Style kind of tied everything together. Last but not least, we have the Fall Causebox. Causebox tries to find brands that do good by supporting important global causes, and they also try to find a lot of women-owned businesses, which I love. This illustration is too cute, and giraffes are just my favorite, so extra points to Causebox for that little giraffe right there. Okay, I went ahead and I unwrapped this first big item, which they did give me a choice on color. There were also a solid blue and an army green option. This bag has a detachable strap and is nice and large with a zipper on the outside, a zipper on the top, and even one on the inside. They really like their zippers on this one. You can really fit a lot in this duffel bag. Next is this super pretty makeup brush set, white and rose gold, and the brushes are very soft and sturdy feeling. I felt the brushes performed well, but probably not as good as the Sigma or Ego Tools brands. They are a great set to take on a trip though, and that roll-up case is nice to keep everything neatly contained in your bag. There seems to be a traveling theme here with the Causebox. We had that brush set, the duffel bag, and then this travel wallet from Glass Ladder and Company. The blush pink with the abstract splotches of color are so pretty on this. I love the size of this wallet, and it's really easy to clean too. A little smudge can be wiped right off this durable material. Causebox always includes a postcard of the illustrator for the box that season. This necklace, at first I wasn't ecstatic about it, but then I saw how it works. It's one long chain, so you can adjust it to any length. And it actually stays at the length you want it to. I don't know how, but it doesn't slip through or anything during the day. It just kind of stays there. I didn't think I would like it at first because it just felt a little cheaper than some of the other necklaces I've gotten. I just actually have been wearing this one a lot, and it looks like it's going to last a long time, so I'm really happy with it. The next item looks like a beauty product. I will cut out the part where I struggle to get this bubble wrap off. It was a doozy to open up, but at least it was secure and it didn't leak. Okay, what have we got here? Malin and Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil. I have never heard of this brand before. This is a good sized bottle of oil, and I have been using this, and it isn't too heavy of an oil. I do think it will take a really long time to get through this bottle because you really don't need very much to get that oil spread across your face. It's just takes a little tiny drop to get a nice hydrated feel to your skin. I had to check all the paper. It was all squished up, so it looked like there may have been a few more extra goodies in there, but there wasn't. The last item is a candle. This one is cactus flower scented, and it's in such a pretty little simple white jar. I love the light and fresh scent and the clean looking design. Now we are ready for my top 5 favorite products based on about a month's worth of use of all these products, and then we will see who had the most favorited items. These are in no particular order, so I am just going to go and start with number 1. My number 1 favorite is the long necklace from Causebox. Initially, I thought I wasn't going to like this, but it is something I have been grabbing pretty much almost every day because of the versatility and the length, and it's just a nice simple necklace that goes with pretty much everything. My number 2 favorite item is the FabFitFun Plaid Scarf. This scarf ended up being multi-purpose. I used it as a table runner for my fall tablescape, and then it transitioned into a scarf when it started to finally cool down a little bit here in Texas. It has a classic plaid pattern with that touch of fringe that will never go out of style. My number 3 favorite item is another jewelry piece, and it's that chunky Danijo necklace from the Fall box of Style. This necklace is another really versatile piece because I love dressing it up or dressing it down, and it's just a really nice solid piece of jewelry. My number 4 favorite item is the Marc Jacobs lipstick from the box of Style. This is a great shade of pink, and it keeps your lips nice and hydrated, and I love it so much that I plan on getting it in a few other colors. Okay, we could have a tie here depending on what the last item is. My number 5 fall favorite subscription box item is the cute little purse from Box of Style. Another versatile one here because it can be worn over your shoulder or as a crossbody or even as a clutch if you tuck that strap in. It is a really great compact size, yet it's still large enough to fit all of your essentials. It's just a really classic little bag, perfect for fall and winter when you're all bundled up and you don't want to take a huge purse with you because you already have so many layers and bulk from the winter clothes. So I think a small purse is just the way to go. So Box of Style had 3 out of 5 of my favorited items. So that makes Box of Style the winner of the subscription box throwdown. Let me know in the comments section below what your favorite item was from the fall unboxing. And let me know if you liked this format for my unboxings, if you thought it was fun getting to see who the best was out of these 3 boxes. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.